Numbers up to 50. Hello children. Numbers play an important role in our lives. Almost all the things we do involve numbers. The age of a child, number of pencils in the pencil box, or number of students in the class. We have already learned how to read and write numbers up to 20. Let us do a quick recap. These are the numbers from 1 to 20 and their number names. We know that the number 18 is written as 8 in 1's place and 1 in 10's place. Let us learn how to read and write numbers up to 50 with the help of blocks. When we join 10 such blocks, we get one tower. So, this tower represents a 10, so 10 ones make a 10. Now, let us represent the number 18 using these blocks. Similarly, when we make another 2 sets of 10 blocks each, we get 3 such towers. Now, let us represent some numbers using these blocks to learn more. Number 38. Here, we can see number 38 can be represented by 3 towers that represent 3 tens and 8 blocks that represent 8 ones. For number 46, we have 4 towers that represent 4 tens and 6 blocks that represent 6 ones. Number 50. 50 comes just after 49 and we can see that number 50 can be represented by 5 towers. So children, today we have learnt about the representation of numbers up to 50 in ones and tens with the help of blocks.